the inverter equipment. This unit employs mechanical relays and is not ignition protected. Fumes, battery gas, or spills from flammable materials could be ignited by sparks. Warning: personal injury. Use safe lifting techniques and standard safety equipment when working with this equipment. Important: clearance and access requirements may vary by location. Maintaining a 36-inch clear space in front of the system for access is recommended. Consult local electrical code to confirm clearance and access requirements for the specific location. Important: these instructions are for use by qualified personnel who meet all local and governmental code requirements for licensing and training for the installation of electrical power systems with AC and DC voltage up to 600 volts. This product is only serviceable by qualified professional. Note: for specifications, functions, applications, stacking, and programming instructions, or if installing with hardware not sold by Outback, see the Radian product literature. For menu navigation, see the System Display product literature. These documents are available at outbackpower.com. Important: the Outback Power Inverter is not intended for use with life support equipment. Optics compatible. That's online monitoring. Major components: Radian GS8048A inverter charger or the GS4048A inverter charger. Radian system products, optional, depicted as being installed: GS load center, that's this box down at the bottom, GSLC PV-12240, system display and controller, the Mate 3S system display and controller. The Hub 10.3 is shown. The FlexMax 80 solar charge controller is also shown. The FlexNet DC monitor and remote temperature sensor are not specifically shown here. Other components would be a battery bank, an AC source, such as utility grid or an AC generator, or both. Main electrical panel and distribution subpanel, that's a load panel or a load center. A PV photovoltaic array and combiner. Today we're going to look at getting the Outback inverter wired and started. Important: this product requires batteries for operation. The required nominal voltage is 48 volts DC. This inverter charger product uses a 3-stage charge cycle to charge the batteries. The default settings are for lead chemistry batteries intended for deep discharge. These include all energy storage offered by Outback Power. Outback Power recommends the use of batteries designed specifically for renewable energy applications. Protection for the battery circuit external to this product must be provided by the installer. Protection for the AC circuit external to this product must be provided by the installer. Pre-wired load centers are for single inverters only. See application notes on the Outback website for applications with multiple inverters. DC wiring notes. Let's look at these nice connections here. Bolt, flat washer, battery lug, DC plate, flat washer, lock washer, nut. Battery cables should be no longer than 10 feet, 3 meters, each to minimize voltage loss and other possible effects. Turn off DC circuit breakers or remove fuses before proceeding. Tie, tape, or twist cables together to reduce self-inductance. Run positive and negative cables through the same knockouts and conduit. Each inverter battery terminal is a threaded stud which accepts a ring terminal lug. Use compression lugs or crimped and sealed copper ring lugs with 5/16 inch 0.79 centimeter holes. Install overcurrent devices according to applicable codes. The DC terminals must be installed in an enclosure to meet NEC requirements. The GSLC meets these requirements. Note that the GSLC top can be removed for access. That's how you connect the GS load center to the Radian inverter. The modular construction of the GS8048A inverter requires 2 DC circuit breakers or fuses. Both sets of positive terminals must be connected to battery power. The GS4048A has 2 sets of positive terminals, but only the terminals on the left are functional. The terminals on the right must not be connected to battery power. That's important.